Does this RV have identity issues? Behind me, Keystone RV Passport 3100 RE. Feature rich. I think it has a mistaken identity. Looks like a trailer, but camps like a fifth wheel. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go check it out. Few exterior features that make this travel trailer camp like a fifth wheel. Patio time, everybody. Check this out. We have 2 power awnings with just at a push button, and entertainment on our patio time. We got 2 exterior speakers, electric outlet to hook up whatever, as well as a cable hookup for your TV entertainment stuff. And cooking is made with a breeze with a propane quick connect. We have tons of storage on this thing, a big pass-through storage on the front, as well as large baggage doors on both of the off-door side slides. We're gonna have 2 big baggage doors that give us ample amount of storage. And again, like a fifth wheel, it's got a hitch receiver on the back in case you really need that extra cargo rack for that extra gear. Convenience centers located up front, off door side, just like a fifth wheel. A lot of your utilities are recessed inside for some of those colder temperatures that you might endure. We're gonna have things like our water hookup, our winterizing, our solar controller, as well as the push button for both front and rear electric stabilizer jacks. Walking inside of the Passport 3100 RE feels like a fifth wheel with 2 big opposing slide outs, giving us all this space. Diving into the kitchen, you guys can see in front of me, really nice kitchen island, tons of cabinet storage. In fact, underneath the sink, we have a huge cabinet door. You can probably fit 2 trash cans. Behind me, equally a large pantry space with a nice little bar that we could use however we want, coffee or that happy hour moment. To my right here, of course, is our on the slide out, starting with the 12-volt refrigerators, huge. Next to that, of course, is gonna be your cooking space with lots of counter space, tons of storage, even has a really big pots and pan drawer underneath. And at the top, we have our convection microwave with an air fryer. Man, I'm famished. Dinner's ready. We just spent all that time cooking. Let's eat. Table for 4, Keystone's Do More table. What does that mean? We can collapse this, make it to a bed. We could collapse it, take it outside, or even put it in front of the sofa for a coffee table. But as you sit here, you guys can see I've got space for 4 people, maybe throw a chair for the 5th. But let me show you how, if you need it to convert into a bed, it's easy peasy. Dinner's over, my belly's full, time to relax. We have on the back side of this camper a huge sofa that's also a sleeper sofa that we'll show you how to set up into a bed here. You guys can see plenty of overhead cabinet storage. We even have on the end table storage underneath, as well as charging ports for your mobile devices. If you want to relax even more, next to me is our theater seating. 2 theater seating positions, I guess, or seats, as well as an armrest in the middle for some awesome cup holders. Across from that is, of course, our entertainment center. We have a huge 12-volt TV, plenty of storage to throw some of those entertainment components in there, as well as underneath is a nice fireplace that puts out some good heat. Right across from the entry door, which I think is great placement, is your bathroom. It's a really big, light, and bright bathroom. We have our medicine cabinet over the vanity sink, plenty of storage underneath. Next to the shower, we have a huge space for a linen closet if you want, and then of course the shower. This is one of the biggest showers that I've seen in a travel trailer, as well as the big skylight overhead. And just to finish up your shower, real easy squeegee kind of style retractable shower door. This bedroom mirrors a fifth wheel bedroom. Why do I say that? Look at all this space. We have a huge slide out for the bed. It is a king size bed, tons of wardrobe space in the front, even storage on the other side, dresser at the foot of the bed, and in the corner, if you want to, there's shelves, or you can transition that space into a washer dryer space. At the head of the bed, I've got a little, I guess, nightstand, you'll say, with charging ports for my mobile devices. and of course, plenty of storage with some drawers underneath.
Pause. Oh, I forgot some important details. MSRP on this, $90,539. Total length, 35 foot, 11 inches, sitting at about 8,500 pounds with gross weight of 10,500 and a hitch weight at 1,185. As you guys can see, not a small travel trailer by any means. Gonna need a decent sized truck to tow it. Wrapping up with tank sizes, fresh water at 54 gallons, gray water at 76 gallons, and black at 38.
So what do you think? Does it have a case of a mistaken identity? Camps like a fifth wheel, but you can see it's a travel trailer all day long. Hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Love to get some answers out to your questions. Comment below. And everybody show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.